home for the night after nearly 6 hours and have begun again this morning. Now, shortly before noon, they came out of the jury room to re-listen to some testimony that they had some questions about. School starts next week in many local districts, and Austin ISD parents identified help for struggling schools as the #1 priority in a newly released survey. More than 10,000 parents and guardians responded to the survey, and 41% say that they want the district to focus on improving academically challenged and failing schools. Fewer than a quarter supported raising taxes or focusing on facility improvements, and a small percentage wants AISD to prioritize realigning school boundaries. Another section of the survey focusing on the performance of AISD's new superintendent, Dr. Maria Kostarfin. More than half say that her engagement with the community so far has been exceptional or at least proficient. But almost half also say they don't know enough about her budget recommendations to judge whether they will effectively achieve a balanced budget.